Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. This is a really quick lecture on DataSync. Essentially, you just need to understand what it is going into the exam. So what is it? Well, DataSync basically allows you to move large amounts of data into AWS. And typically you'd use it on your on-premise data center. You'd install the DataSync agent as an agent, and you would do this on a server that connects to your NAS or file system. And that will then copy data to AWS and write data from AWS. So it's a way of synchronizing your data. And it automatically encrypts your data and accelerates transfer over the wide area network. It performs automatic data integrity checks in transit and at rest as well. And essentially what it does is it seamlessly connects to Amazon S3, EFS, or Amazon FSx for Windows file server to copy data and metadata to and from AWS. So basically it's exactly what it sounds like on the tin. It's a way of syncing your data to AWS. So going into the exam, that's really all you need to know. You need to know that it's used to move large amounts of data from on-premise to AWS. It's used with NFS and SMB compatible file systems. Replication can be done hourly, daily, or weekly. And the way you set it up is you just install the DataSync agent to start the replication. Typically, you do that on-premise. However, you can also use DataSync to replicate EFS to EFS. And so if you were doing it like that, essentially you'd install the DataSync agent on an EC2 instance that was connected to EFS, and then you can use that DataSync agent to replicate your EFS to another copy or another EFS in the cloud as well. So going into the exam, remember those 5 points. And if you see, a scenario-based question where it's talking about how you can move from on-prem to AWS, DataSync is definitely one of the valid options. Okay, that's it for this lecture, everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.